We are Embody. Let's get this dance workout started. Come on. We are going to elevate energy. We're gonna go step, step, left shoulder, step, step, right. Here we go. Left, step, step, right. Keep it up. That's it. Go up and down and up and switch. Come on. Up and down and we're gonna go. All right, here we go. Hey. That's it. We're gonna walk 3 times. Walk. 2, 3. Tap. Other way. We're gonna point. 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 Walk it out. 1, 2, 3. Hit. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Point. 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 Let's go. Walk. Snap. Let me see that sass. Hey. Point. Point. All right. We're gonna go double 1. Double 1. Double 1. All right, let's get those hips moving. Here we go. Side to side. That's it. All right, slide. That's it. Let's groove. We're gonna double clap and single clap. Double, single. Let's go hips. That's it. Hey. All right, here we're gonna pull. Pull. 3, 4, other side. And side. And pull. That's it. Use those arms. Let's pump. Here we go. Okay. That's it. Hey, hey. Get low. Arms to the sky. Let's use those feet. You're amazing. All right, here we go. Let's go, side to side. Go those double single claps. That's it. Thank you so much for joining us. Maybe do a quick stretch afterwards.